corners of the material universe, where reality bends, rules break, and science reveals discoveries that challenge what we know. The universe is full of materials that defy everyday understanding. Some are so light they seem to float on air, while others conduct electricity with zero resistance. These are not curiosities, they are the future of technology. Why they matter? They push the boundaries of physics and engineering, leading to faster electronics, stronger structures, and better medical technologies. What is the challenge then? Understanding them is difficult. Their behavior often contradicts common sense, forcing scientists to rethink the laws of physics and chemistry. They have unconventional properties like some materials change shape with heat or light, others absorb impacts greater than steel without breaking. Powerful, yet complex. Well, what is the scientific progress then? Scientists are making major breakthroughs, studying materials at the atomic level to transform energy, medicine, and computing. The first one is aerogel. Aerogel is a frozen smoke, a solid that is almost entirely air. Incredibly light, yet an outstanding thermal insulator used in spacecraft and energy-efficient buildings. The second is metamaterials. Metamaterials bend light in unnatural ways. Their power comes from structure, not composition. Here is the third, quasicrystals. They were discovered in the 1980s, show order without repetition, reshaping materials science. The last but not the least is superconductors. They carry electricity with zero resistance. Imagine power grids with no energy loss, but they require extremely low temperatures.
As you can see on the display, the temperature has stabilized at -196 degrees Celsius.
As we come to the conclusion, from aerogel to metamaterials, quasicrystals to superconductors, these are the materials of the future. If you find it interesting, comment which material amazed you the most and suggest what we explore next.